Howdy, Wan. With TVs being so competitive, nearing a race to the bottom economics, creating millions of pounds of e-waste, should we have a minimum price floor on certain electronics? Is quality the winner?
Generally speaking, I'm pretty pro-free market, a regulated free market that prevents monopolists from taking advantage of their position. But I don't think you're ever going to get me advocating for
minimum prices,
for a minimum price on something. I think that, my job is educating people to make sure that they buy something that is going to meet their needs for an extended period of time, in hopes that there will be less waste overall if people consume, because they will consume, but consume the right things so that there's less trial and error involved. And I just don't see how you'd implement this. Like, it's not like it's a, terrible idea on the surface of it, right? I'd say you'd be better off creating like a warranty minimum. So a minimum amount of time that they have to support the product to incentivize them to do the right things, rather than regulating it directly.
I like that. That should also spread to more products. The more I'm learning about washer, dryer, refrigerator,
I know, right?
Dishwasher, all that kind of stuff, like, holy crap, dude. The sheer amount of waste in not even the electronics portion, but just the metals and everything else that is involved with this that people just have to toss out because it's not worth repairing is crazy. And the fact that we're getting into 3 to 5 year life cycles, like, I'm used to people just not replacing appliances ever.
Yeah. It comes with the house.
Yeah. Like, how is this turning into something that I'm going to replace more often than my TV?
We were going to get new appliances when we moved into our current place, and the guy who came in looked at one of them when we were, what was it, the motor in the washer went or something like that, and basically Yvonne was like, oh yeah, I don't know if we want to bother with repairing it, and the guy's like, yes you do. I will put a new motor in this, and this will last for another 25 years. If you went and you bought a new one, you would be replacing it in 5 to 10.
Yeah. And like so like I said earlier in the show, my fridge is going. So I was like, all right, time to do some research, because this is a pastime. What can I buy? What should I get? All of everything. Like, there was literally, I can't remember the exact comment. Oh, I could probably find it on my phone. But there was like an appliance guy basically saying, like, the world is ending and I hate everything, because, like, he can't recommend something that's actually good.
Yeah, I forget what brand it is, but my mom bought a new fridge from someone that, like, for me growing up was like, oh, that's a reputable appliance brand, and they've been out, I think, half a dozen times to fix it. And she's been like, at what point is this a lemon? You guys have spent more than the cost of this fridge coming here and fixing it over and over and over again. Are you ready to acknowledge that it is broken and that you're not able to fix it? And it's just like, the whole thing is so grossly inefficient.
The comment was, appliance tech here. It's all plastic disposable crap. Life is pointless and the planet is doomed because of the waste we produce. Refrigerators within your budget are not buy it for life. And it was like, oh. So then I was like, okay, well, this person's listed budget on this particular Reddit thread didn't seem super high. Can you spend more than this and get something that's not just portable e-waste? Apparently, yeah.
Nice.
But
is it like commercial,
you're
basically?
Talking Sub-Zero and stuff, which I've only
Sub-Zero
heard of.
Like Sub-Zero wins?
I don't know if I've ever actually even opened a Sub-Zero fridge myself, but I've heard of them. There's another one that I don't remember the name of it, but there's another brand as well.
You do have to be careful sometimes, because not, like, manufacturers just make for all the manufacturers.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want, like, commercial, but those go a bit of money.
No listed price. Very interesting.
Sort of like, there's like
qualifies for luxury kitchen savings event. Required accessories. Excuse me? I have to buy my own drawers for $1,000 each?
Well, what if you wanted it in stainless steel?
Buy now with live chat. You need to discuss your purchase with
Flush inset door panel with tubular handle.
Tubular, man.
$1,700.
Where's the... How do I... Wait, is there no price?
You have to buy now with live chat. You have to discuss your purchase.
What the hell is Fisher and Paykel?
I don't know. Never heard of that.
What? Buy now with live chat. But where's the starting price? Does it not have one?
Can't remember the name of the other brand that I found, but it was...
There's Wolf for stoves,
absurd.
I know, are
I
pretty
know that
typical,
one.
like a high-end install. I don't know if they're actually worth it.
How much does a Sub-Zero fridge cost? Oh! What?
Yep.
Oh my God.
But there's a ton of people on Reddit saying that these things last 25 years and are highly repairable.
Yeah, that's like how much a fridge should cost
True,
for
that's the
how
other one.
insanely complicated some of them can be.
The other brand is just called True. Those were the two that people were talking about. True and Sub-Zero.
Okay.
So, do you spend
Nope.
$11,000 to $20,000 on a fridge, or
No, I
do
don't
you
think I will.
replace the same genuine piece of garbage and fill landfills with, $1,000 fridges? I'm guessing. I don't know what the price is. I haven't actually.
Especially because when you sell your house with that Sub-Zero fridge, the new buyer will not
Nope.
assign any additional value to it. So you're basically just paying for yourself to use it. Most people are not going to be in a position in their life where they can afford a $25,000 fridge and have enough of their life left that they're going to use it for the whole time. And that's just the cold, hard truth.